batabisobanukiwe nyine leta umubyeyi iraturebera ibireba igikwiriye ariko tukagorwa n'icyo kintu cyuko nkuko turi igihugu kiri mu nzira y'iterambere ubwo bumenyi n'ubwo bushobozi akenshi butaboneka. Icyo twifuza rero nuko tubona turi kuri yo standard yaho umuntu abasha gukora ikintu kimwinjiriza akabasha guhashya ubukene
kugira ngo bashobore gukora business bayikurenda ku rwego rumwe bayishyire ku rundi. Turishimiye kubabona mwese twarabakurikiranye.
tukabana nkagenda mu ntara nkafata dovize nkaza nkatuzunguza. Birarenze ziyakore najyaga mbyumva kuri radio najyaga no baba bivuga bumva mu makuru barabivuga umva kugiki mama ariko ayo mugende muri radio ariko kubera Imana ari kugira neza uzirinde kwibagirwa. Ntabwo Diane yigeze yibagirwa igihugu cyamubyaye, ntabwo yigeze yibagirwa yuko ari igihugu kirimo kwisana cyangwa giharanira iterambere ry'umudamu ry'umwana. Rero turabimushimira, ni benshi tuzi bagenda bakagera iyo ariko bakibagirwa.
I thought it was a joke at first. But then, some of us bought into the same idea, and we decided to stand with her in this same venture. We have realized that most of the people suffering on the globe are basically the women of Africa, the children of Africa, the most vulnerable persons of the Africa, the mothers of the Africa. So we suggested that we shall not leave that very last woman on the ground to suffer, yet we can be able to support. If God has given you the finances, then don't keep on the finances, because none of us is going to disappear with the finances to heaven. Bring the money to help this very last person, so she can be somebody, so he can be somebody, so she can be the president of the country, so he can be the president of the country, so that we change the world. This woman you see right here has a very big heart, entirely big heart.
Imana yabashizemo, ni ukuri turabashimiye kandi Imana ibahe umugisha. Murakoze.